Thank you so much to Sarah Lozano for reading to us about lion farts. So, my name is Sally, and we're going to switch gears back to something a little more aquatic and slightly less exotic than a lion, and that is goldfish. I actually spend my time studying fish of the jelly variety. I look at the genomes of jellyfish and their relatives to learn how it is that they can occupy so many different environments. So the Portuguese man o' war and the anemone you may have heard about earlier in this series are part of the same group of animals called the Cnidarians. And did you know that there are in fact freshwater jellyfish, perhaps living even closer to you than you might imagine? And did you know that jellyfish use many of the same genes that we use to build our bodies to build their bodies as they are growing up? Although I study jellyfish, I do love goldfish though, because they are an aquatic creature that many of you are probably quite familiar with and might even have at home right now. I definitely had some growing up, and they helped spark my interest in all things aquatic. So without further ado, let's find out if goldfish fart. So goldfish, their scientific name is Carassius auratus, and I'm sad to report right off the bat that do they fart? No, they do not. Goldfish have become incredibly popular pets since their domestication nearly 1,000 years ago, and over 30 million of them are kept as pets in the UK alone. In ancient China, it was common to keep carp for food, and occasionally these carp, through a chance mutation, were born a yellow or orange color. The first record of these goldfish dates back to the year 8975. Goldfish were seen as good luck, and by the year 1240, people were actively breeding them for ornamental purposes. Today, over 300 breeds of goldfish exist, and it is the most popular fish species to own as a pet. Again, I'm sure as many of you can attest to. Despite the high number of goldfish living in people's homes, and this was a bummer to learn, observing them pass gas is a rare occurrence. Although these fish do have gas-producing bacteria in their gut, it is far more common to see them burp out gas than pass it through their anal duct. So burping, but no farting, perhaps. It is thought that the rarity of this behavior may be caused by an ability to incorporate digestive gas right into their fecal pellets, which are encased in a layer of mucus. Again, if you own one of these, you've probably seen some of those mucousy pellets. So if you have a farting fish, it may be having digestive problems. So something to look out for with your fish. And I'll be passing it on to Dr. James Fleming for some info about termites and their farting.